Hello, I'm here to discuss the heritage unit and coolest train horn, wreck, crash, derailment, and even deaths. So let's move on. The Union Pacific 1988, the Katy Railroad and MKT, Missouri, Kansas, Texas. Felt bad for that Union Pacific 1988. He got in crash in Monterrey, Mexico. What F asterisk asterisk asterisking idiot truck. Here's for example. Now next is Union Pacific 4141, the Georgia Bush 41. He got in rest in peace, or final rest life. Rail fanners was cried after hearing this for 6 years later. Now is Norfolk Southern 8099 ES for 40C Southern Railroad derailment after hitting a rock slide. That happened in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here's for the picture. Now we got Norfolk Southern 1065 splits truck in half in Longview, North Carolina, USA. That train is SD70AC NK5LA, one of the legend train in US, the Savannah and Atlanta. Here's for example. Now we got Norfolk Southern 9955-50 NES for ODC derails in Swanton, Ohio after hits SUV. You know how did it derailed? That's because past the track loses the nail. That's how train derails exist. A girl just drunk in the car. She got to Main Street close to the tracks. What a freaking drunk woman. So here's for example.
My mom told her, I said, you gotta get out now. Hey, let's go. Get that car off of that street. Hey, watch these wires, man. Get this way. Come on, let's return from the FD here. Everybody come out.
A train derails, hit a power line, and the SUV lunged to the tree miles away. And it almost hit the house nearby the tracks. Tia and Ed was thinking a tornado coming. They run out the house after the house was shaking. It almost hit two cars and one SUV window back was been breaks down. Thanks for watching this. Like and subscribe. I've been doing a lot of hard working, so enjoy.